Welcome to SP MPC Classes. Today our topic is matter around us pure? So here we have classification of matter. First of all, you have to know about matter. Matter is nothing but anything in this world which has mass, occupies the space, is known as matter. Example: chair, table, stone, chalkpiece, duster, pen, pencil, eraser, all are matter. On the basis of physical state, matter is classified into three main types. They are solids, liquids, and gases. We have fourth state also, plasma. Fifth state, Bose-Einstein condensate. About this all the physical states we will learn in other topic, other lesson. Now we are going to see about the classification of matter. On the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified into two main types. They are pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances are two types. They are elements and compounds. And mixtures are also two types: heterogeneous mixture, homogeneous mixture. Now we are going to see all these topics one by one clearly. First of all, you have to know that matter classified into two types. One is pure substance, another one is mixture. Pure substance, elements and compounds. Mixture, homogeneous, heterogeneous mixtures. So let us see about all these topics one by one. Pure substance, it is again two types. One is elements, another one is compounds. You know very well what is meant by elements. Elements are the smallest particle which cannot be further classified into other simpler particle by any physical means or chemical means. It means it is the smallest particle, we cannot convert that into the other simpler particle. Example: oxygen, hydrogen, water, sugar. From water, you may take any drop of the water. It is having all the properties of the water molecules. You can take water molecule, water drop from anywhere. It possesses those properties. Compound means when two or more elements combining together, we are getting compound. Example: hydrogen gas, oxygen gas. When they combine together, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, when they combine together, we are getting water molecule. Hydrogen gas is a colorless gas, odorless gas. Oxygen also colorless, odorless gas. When we mix together, when they are combining together, we are getting water molecule which is in liquid form, having entirely different properties compared to the hydrogen and oxygen. That is compound. But this water molecule is a pure substance. So here we can say pure substances are two types. One is element, another one is compound. Now mixtures. Mixture is a substance which consists of two or more pure substances. Example: seawater, minerals, soil, air, sand and salt, sugar in water, salt in water. If you take example air, we are having oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, all other gases are there. It is a mixture. Here we have differences between the pure substance and mixture. Let us see one by one, point wise. First point: pure substances consist of a single type of substance. Mixture consists of two or more pure substance. Pure substance cannot be separated into other substance by physical methods like filtration, decantation, sedimentation, all other methods. Mixtures can be separated into its components by physical methods like hand picking, sedimentation, decantation, everything. Pure substances has its own definite properties. Mixture shows properties of its component. Compound. Compound is a substance composed of two or more elements. Just now we have discussed. When they are combining chemically together in a fixed ratio, we are getting compounds. What are carbon dioxide, sugar, salt, iron, sulfide? Many examples are there. These are all the differences between the elements and compounds. Let us see different type of mixtures. Already I said to you, mixtures are two types: homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures means substances are uniformly distributed throughout it. Heterogeneous mixture means substances are not uniformly distributed. Salt in water, sugar in water, homogeneous mixture. Sand in water, iron plus sulfur, these are heterogeneous mixture. Let us see about these mixtures clearly. If you see clearly about homogeneous mixture, it is a mixture which has uniform composition. Particles of the mixture are not visible by the naked eye. The particles cannot be separated by the filtration method. This mixture is stable. Particles do not settle down. We can't use decantation method and sedimentation method. The path of the beam of light is not visible in the mixture. When you take this mixture in a beaker, when you focus a light which is coming from the torch or something else, we cannot see the path of light. Example: mixture of sugar in water, mixture of salt in water, mixture of copper sulfate in water. Heterogeneous mixture. It is a mixture which has non-uniform composition. The particles are visible by the naked eye. It means no need of any glasses, spectacles, microscope. We can see directly. The particles can be separated by the filtration. The mixture is unstable, easily settle down. The path of the beam of light is also visible in the mixture. We can see the path of light. This is known as Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect means when light is passing through the substance or any solution, we can see the particle present in the path of the light. For example, assume that your roof is having a small hole. If the light is falling from the hole, it is clearly visible like a ray, and the particles which are there in the path of this light easily visible. This effect is known as Tyndall effect. We can say Tyndall effect easily observed in heterogeneous mixture and it cannot be easily observed in homogeneous mixture. Example: mixture of salt and sand, mixture of sulfur and iron filings, mixture of oil and water. These are the example for the heterogeneous mixtures.